guys, you need 2 videos for this transition. You get my point? So now I'm on Capcut. I will click on new project and import the first video. You get my point? Alright, so here is the video. Now what you need to do is you need to go with a leaf, a green leaf. You get my point? Now this is how to record this video. You mount your camera on a tripod. You can decide to use landscape or you can use portrait. You get my point? Now you go in with a leaf. You don't even need to record an empty background for this particular video. Now you go in with a leaf. Depends on how you want it to start, understand? So now here is the leaf. So I will have to hold it. I show the green part of the leaf, just like what you see me do right here. You get my point? So please take your time, watch this video from the beginning to the end, because if you miss any step, you will miss everything. So you can move the leaf towards where the camera is, then you can just zoom out. You get my point? So when you are done with this, you can now get up and then leave the camera. You get my point? Now let's start editing. So now let's go to the beginning of the video. Let me show you how to edit this video. At first, we don't need an empty background for this particular video, so we will tap on the video layer and split from where we want the video to start. So me, I want the video to start from this particular part where I'm staring at the leaf. You get my point? So I'll tap on the video layer right here, click on split, then delete the beginning of the video. You get my point? So now let's go over to the end of the video. You get my point? Now this is how you want the video to end. Like personally myself, I want the video to end when I'm giving a thumbs up somewhere here. You get my point? So I want it to end somewhere here. So I'll tap on the video layer right here, tap on split, then I will delete the ending part of the video. Understand? So now the next thing for you to do is to click on this plus button right here. When you click on it, then you bring in another video. I don't know if you get my point. Bring in a separate video. So that's what I'm going to do. But guys, if you are beginning to get value from this video, this tutorial, do well to hit the like button and let me know what you think about this video in the comment section. If you are coming across my video for the first time or my channel for the first time, you are welcome to Mr. Creating Update. You get my point? Please like and share and stay tuned. If you enjoy video editing so much, do well to turn on the notification bell so that you'll be notified anytime I drop another amazing video editing tutorials like this. You get my point? So I will click on this plus button right here. Alright guys, so I just brought in the video I want to use. So as you can see, this is the video, and this video is all about people that want to learn how to edit videos. Now it says become a pro editor in 2 weeks. Understand? We are now on discount. You get my point? So with 15,000 naira, I will teach you how to edit videos like you become a pro. You get my point? Now just you see this number right here, you DM me on WhatsApp. You get my point? It's just 15,000 and for 2 weeks. You get my point? Those of you that have passed through me, you understand, you know how I teach. So that's just it. So this is the video I want to use for this particular transition. So that's just it. Now what you will do right here is you will place your finger on this particular video layer and swap it. Understand? You swap it right here. You get my point? Then you come back to this other video layer, tap on it. Now go and look for overlay. Where is overlay? Overlay. Now click on overlay, then you drag it, tap and hold it, then bring it to the beginning of the video. Understand? You bring it right there. So look at the video right here. You get my point? Now what you need to do again as it is, you will tap on this where you have the leaf. Now at this point where I can see the leaf very well, you get my point? So I'll tap on the second layer. Now go and look for remove BG. I'll click on remove BG, then I'll click on chroma key. You get my point? Then move this color picker to the green leaf. Understand? So you just make sure the whole circle turns to green. I don't know if you get my point. Then you have to increase this intensity to 30. So you leave it at 30, understand? So you can just leave this shadow to 10. So you leave it right there. You get my point? Now to be sure that you don't have any green traces around the effect. You get my point? You tap on this navigation button down here, then you go and look for adjust. Now click on adjust right here. Understand? So you're gonna go look for HSL. Tap on HSL, tap on it. Now tap on green. So you will reduce the saturation to -100. If you wish, you can just leave it at this -100. Understand? But you can also temper with this hue and lightness, reduce all of them to so that you will not have any green traces. You get my point? Now you click on this OK button. Let's go. As it is now, you should play the video. You're gonna see you see magic. So look at it here. So just see. Now the leaf alone is just like a mirror. Understand? It's reflecting. It's kind of making that transition, so you'll be able to see through that leaf. Now at this point, to get this particular video, you will have to, at this point where it shows the overlaid video, you get my point? So you tap on it right here, so that people will be able to see what you wanted to show them. I don't know if you get my point. In case you want to advertise something or want to do any show, like what I'm telling you guys here, to come and register now that I'm on discount. We are on discount. You get my point? For just 2 weeks. Understand? Just 15,000 naira. So I will come here and click on freeze. Where is freeze? So I click on freeze right here, so that this particular video will not be very fast to go off. So once it shows like this, it will just maintain this particular point here, so that audience will be able to read and understand what is here. I don't know if you get my point. Then you allow it to continue. Now it's trying to get back itself. You get my point? But as you can see, the second layer is longer than the main layer. You don't have any issue. You get my point? So you can just tap on the first layer, go to speed if you want to. Now go to normal. You reduce the speed a little. You can make it 0.8. That's too much. Now make it 0.9. Let's see. So this is okay right here. You get my point? So I will tap on this. Make sure you adjust the ending part of the second layer to align. You get my point? Make sure you adjust it. So it has to be this way. So that's just it, guys. I believe you've learned something. And if you've not subscribed to this channel, please do well to subscribe and turn on that notification bell, so that you'll be notified anytime I drop another amazing video editing update. For those of you that want to join the class, please, it's a limited offer, so you don't have to waste time. Don't procrastinate. Understand? This is just for the meantime. You know our price, you know our main price. You get my point? So just come in now and register, so that you will learn. I will show you everything you need to know about video editing, so you can now stand on your own and have the confidence to edit video as a pro editor. You get my point? So without wasting much time or saying much, see you in our next video.